Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. We're out here in the carving tent. We're getting ready to carve a polar bear out of this piece of white cedar. It's just going to be a sitting polar bear. Hopefully we're going to get a scarf tied in there on him as well. That is the plan. This is a customer order. Today I'm going to be running the Steel MS 211. This is a saw that we fixed on Kyle's Chainsaw Rescue on my other channel. We're going to be running the 193 with a dime tip bar and an MS 170 quarter pitch sprocket. 12-inch bar with quarter pitch chain, 43 gauge. Nothing, not a dime tip bar, right? On that one. That is the plan. We are creeping our way up to 20,000 subscribers. The original goal was 30,000, and I was going to give away an MS 170. I don't think we're going to make 30,000 by the end of 2023. So if we can hit 20,000 before the end of December 2023, I'm going to give away that brand new Steel MS 170 to one lucky winner. If we do not hit 20,000 by the end of this year, then we're going to wait till we hit 30 whenever that happens. So if you guys are watching this for the first time, be sure to hit subscribe, hit all, and turn on YouTube notifications so you guys don't miss future uploads, and leave this video a thumbs up. Hopefully you guys are ready. Let's start making some saws. Alright guys, here he is all finished up and painted and ready to go. Just a quick carve, playing around here with the polar bear idea. Be sure to give me a thumbs up, hit subscribe, hit that bell, hit all if you guys haven't already. Trying to get the channel growing and moving. Actually, it's been doing that quite a bit lately, so really, I do appreciate it. I thank you guys, all of you who have hit subscribe, who leave good comments, who, you know, give me a thumbs up on videos. You guys are awesome. I really, really do appreciate it. We're creeping up toward 20,000 subscribers. I thank you guys so, so much. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you guys think of this piece. Be sure to check out some other videos popping up. And if you want to learn how to chainsaw carve, I have some very beginner videos in the Beginner Carvers playlist right here on YouTube. Hope you guys have an awesome day. I'll see you guys later. Bye.